5 critical facts you must know before flight. Fasten your seatbelts, adjust your seat to the upright position, because we are about to embark on a journey not only to the sky, but also to the most unknown airport secrets. Flights are much more mysterious than you think. If you board a plane without learning the information in this video, you are taking a great risk. Are you ready? Then, let's take off. Episode 1. Why are USB chargers a hidden danger? Free charging points at the airport. Sounds like a great idea, right? But the truth is, these seemingly innocent USB ports can infect your device with viruses or steal your data. It's called juice jacking. So one charge can mean all your data is gone. In 2019, a passenger's credit card information was stolen from his phone at Los Angeles Airport because it only charged for 10 minutes. So if you have to charge at the airport, make sure to use your own power bank. Remember, everything that is free has a price. We've taken care of charging. Now let's look at something else that's just as valuable as your phone, your luggage. Episode 2. Is your luggage as safe as you think? You've checked in your luggage, you're relieved, but really, every year an average of 25 million suitcases are lost worldwide. And the bad news? The valuables inside are often not covered by insurance. A passenger in Paris asked the airline for compensation for the laptop, watch, and expensive clothes in his lost luggage. But he didn't get a penny, because the rules are clear. Valuables are not checked in luggage. So what's the solution? Pack everything valuable in your hand luggage. Take a photo of your luggage. Make a list of the contents. These may seem small, but if they get lost, they'll be worth their weight in gold. Okay, we've sorted out the luggage, the charger. Now how about relaxing a little? Because sleeping on long flights also requires serious tactics. Episode 3. How can you really sleep on a plane? Soft, relaxing music. A 14-hour flight from Tokyo to New York. A passenger stayed awake for 10 hours after choosing the wrong seat. What a nightmare, right? Here's what you need to do for a comfortable flight. Choose a window seat. No one will wake you up. Get a neck pillow, eye mask, and earplugs. Try to sleep 1 hour after takeoff, right after meal service. And remember, don't consume caffeine and alcohol before the flight. These will ruin your sleep. Small details create great comfort. We slept, we rested. Now it's not our body, our perception of time that will be tested. Jet lag is coming. Episode 4. How to get rid of the jet lag nightmare? Your body shows morning, your clock shows night. This is jet lag. But how do the professionals do it? Start sleeping according to the time of your arrival, 2 days before your flight. Drink plenty of water. Sleep or stay awake on the plane according to your arrival time. For example, if you are arriving in the morning, sleeping on the plane is a great idea. But if you are landing in the evening, you should stay awake on the plane and sleep after landing. This way, your body adapts to the new time zone, almost whispering. Jet lag is over. What about the biggest fear? The fear of flying. Now we come to the most critical part. Episode 5. The secret to overcoming fear of flying. When turbulence begins, when the engine sound changes, does that familiar wave of panic rise inside you? Here are some comforting facts. Airplanes are designed to withstand even severe turbulence. Engine sound changes are mostly related to power settings and are completely normal. And here's a practical method. 4 to 7 to 8 breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 7 seconds. Exhale for 8 seconds. This technique calms your nervous system during times of panic. And remember, knowledge is the antidote to fear. Now you are ready to not only travel in the sky, but also to be a conscious passenger. Those who know this information are always one step ahead. If you want to be safe, comfortable, and informed on flights, subscribe, leave a like, and see you on our next flight. The sky is waiting for you.